I know you were waiting. What's going on? Good morning, guys. All right. Let's get right to it. You know how we do. This is a public live stream. So, any degenerate out there, you go sideways. I will make sure your mother feels disappointed. Let's get into it. What is going on? What is going on? Gang. How you doing? How you doing? And the chat isn't loading up for me. We're going to go ahead and give it a few seconds so I can see that you guys are in. We got 150 people in the live stream, 132. Oh boy. Yeah, people are like, no, we don't want that smoke. What's going on? All right. Good morning. Bjorn, what's up? Harnell, what's up? It's me, Lancy. Hi, Lancy. Is this public? Yeah, oh no. Yeah, emotional damage, right? So every Tuesday we do public live streams. Myself, TMI, STV, live stream. So this is a public live stream. And for those who are wondering what the fuck we will be covering today, we will be covering the art of making money. Sounds fun. Anyways, guys, check out the link down in the description, also pinned to the top of the comments, trade1348.com/RD. After I give you some proof of concept here, because we're here to make money, not to make friends. And if you happen to make friends while you're making money, hey, that's a bonus. But focus, make friends. No, make money. All right. Jordan, don't you fucking start. AMC and Ape to the Moon, don't you fucking start, Jordan. Seriously. This guy. All right. That's so delusional. Well, I can't say that. I meant to say, like, you're delusional because you probably believe that the Patriots will win the Super Bowl as long as Tom Brady's in the NFL, which just not gonna happen. All right. All right, let's get to it. So, guys, check this out. You see my screen, right? You see my screen. I got the day. I got Invictus Beta, 3-minute SPY, 3-minute market. I'm ready to work. Let's fucking work. Let's get this done. All right, you guys see any alerts that appeal to you? Well, then you shout it out in the comments and keep it moving. John Wayne says, "Shut up, fatty." Okay, get the fuck out. I'm on camera. I'm supposed to talk. The fuck is this? A silent movie? Just get out of here, man. Right? John Wayne. John Wayne, before I get started, right? I'm just going to go off, right? Of all the possible times, right? So, you, your mother could have just swallowed, right? And saved me a fucking headache. But she decided to just do the slow burn, waste 9 months of her fucking life thinking that daddy loved her. Well, then I know you're mad. Daddy don't love you, and neither does your mother. She's trying to get you the fuck out of her basement and clean up your socks, bro. All right, let's go. Uh, David, what is going on? Here we go. Last night's stream deserves a fucking Emmy. Oh, sure. All right, dope. Dude, you give great knowledge, but you spend 75% of your time insulting and bragging like a dickhead. Nobody cares. Yeah, let's get to work and stick to knowledge. Kaiser, I do whatever the fuck I want. Now you sit there and you're going to fucking listen. Be a good boy, right? Now take this knowledge. Guys, shoot the tickers. I need the tickers so that, this guy over here, Kaiser, can feel like he accomplished something and put me in my place. So I'm going to leave it up to the community here. And you guys shoot me the tickers. I break it down. Let's go ahead. nclh Pythagoras. All right. So nclh, guys, let's get into the chart. Let's check out Pythagoras and what. Wait. No, that's not a good ticker. What the fuck you give me NCLH for? That's not a ticker. BIIB. Okay. Let's go ahead and check out BIIB. So, biogen. What's going on here? Okay, whoa. Well, first off, on a 5 minute, biogen just decided that it wanted to cease to exist. Here we go. So we have a potential cross down. Now, I want to show you guys something, right? As we are entering this cross down, you see this level of support? Well, it's looking like it's going to break that level. Now, RSI has gone completely to the toilet. Guys, the market's been acting wonky, right? We get data and the spy's just like, what? Hold my beer. I'm good. Right. But we have the RSI break below its moving average, and then we have the MACD forming some solid red histogram bars, right? These are telling you downtrend. It's in a downtrend. Sharp trend, which is our third indicator. Three layers of confirmation into the move. Shaft trend is also saying sell, as you can see here, right? So you want those three confirmations to the move. Guys, the thing is that what makes Pythagoras absolutely unique and what makes Pythagoras so powerful is the fact that it trades on a larger time frame. Meaning, if you happen to be watching this live stream or have the headphones on while you're working a 9 to 5, Pythagoras is the tool you want. Also, if the 5 minute, right? If you're just that timid soul, just a little worried, right? It's you're risk averse, not risk seeking, right? You want to slow it down? The daily will do that, and Pythagoras will help you out, right? But let's go ahead and look at what's happening here because you guys are seeing a new indicator, and this is the ADX, right? And I like the way the ADX is shaping up right now. Okay, now for the most part, you could see ADX has been right under 25 for some time, right under. And that's because there was massive consolidation here, right? When ADX breaks over 25, that shows a strength in the trend and it's building momentum. So we have the expectation that it will break 25, build momentum. You have this level here. And I think that this was essentially following the market as the market got enthusiastic. But you get that move and that break to the downside. You have a level here and here. This would be 192 at or about. That's a $10 move. That should be your target. All right. Yes, Joseph Burns, we're public. I know. I'm sorry. We're public. We have to be public. We have an obligation. Part of our marketing plan is that every Tuesdays we do a live stream, right? I know you want us all to yourselves. But this is Biogen. That's BIIB. Okay. If you use Pythagoras, ideally you would want to go ahead and use Pythagoras for shares. Now, there's ways to figure out the best value, right? And that's when you could go ahead and go to the 5 minute, right? And in this situation, you could see it happen like rather quickly. The best value, if you are going to play a put option and or a short, would be either at this level of consolidation, which you see at 202.62, or if you're going to go short or buy put positions to the downside, you want to go with this guy here, right? Which is the 13 EMA. That's at 203.72. So you want the strike closest to that EMA and you play it short. That's Miguel Torres, NCLH. I put that ticker in there. Well, what are we talking about? NCLH. Norwegian Cruise Lines. Okay, so you went ahead and did it backwards. All right, so TGT Pythagoras. Now, are we looking at NCLH? Pythagoras. Let's check out that play here. So we got to put here, guys. We have a formulation, a lot of the same thing. Now, this, and this is where ADX comes to play. Now, you do have a put, but look what's happening here on a daily, right? There's conflict between the indicators. RSI is pivoting up and approaching his moving average, which is telling us, it's trending upwards. But then you got the MACD, which is crossed, and you got the red here on the histogram, and you got the sell, right? So if you go ahead and just like use all those indicators, the first three are in disagreement. But I'm going to show you that this play, Norwegian Cruise Lines, is simply going to go ahead and consolidate as it has. It's just simply been moving in this channel. And as you can see here with ADX, it is below 25. And in fact, it's pivoting down. It is trending down. So this put play, there's so many ways to play this, right? So we could see 1335, and then we got to the low 1088. I'm just not quite too sure if this provides enough momentum for you to be interested in. Okay, let's just be honest. Um, no, 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 no. Promo code peasants isn't live. We decided to change the promo code and give a greater discount. So stay tuned. Okay, so moving along. Uh, yeah, Miguel, this was a good ticker to show ADX. Absolutely. So Mary White says, so is that saying that there isn't enough strength to push through the consolidation in either way? Mary is one of my top students. Mary, you get a cookie. Yes. Yes. Why, Mary? Yes. Such a proud name. I'm proud of you, Mary. Your parents should be proud of you too. All right. Let's go. Apple. Let's check out Apple here. And all right. Everyone's like, Roku, but that got Nike. All right, calm the fuck down, all right? So here we are. We're on Apple. We're on a 5 minute on Apple. Apple is trending down. You do have this level of support at 166.93. Now, what you want to do is go to the 15 minute, look at the overall trend. Overall trend, well, MACD is thinning here on the 15, so that gives us a vote of confidence over a larger time frame in what's actually happening. Now, you can see, check this out, ADX here on the 30 minute is just barely over 25 and actually getting ready and pitching down, getting ready to breach the 25 once again to the downside. If you could see here, you know, ADX here, well over 25, but you can see how it just simply consolidated here on the 30 minute, right? So let's go to the 5 minute, and you can see she broke down below ADX. This move is not going to be gigantic. I mean, it's 167.55. You have this level here at 166.96. Play it accordingly. That's all I have for you. Now, you could choose to front run the cross. I think it's fair enough to say you can. All right. Respect this level right here. How do you get Pythagoras? Pythagoras is in the Discord. All right. It's in the Discord. Guys, if you're wondering how we make money and we're wondering why the people are asking the questions they're asking, certain tickers, and why we're reviewing the chart in the way we do, check out the link down in the description, pinned in the top of the comments. We read charts. We don't read anything else, right? You know, if you read the news today, the news felt like doom and gloom, right? I mean, like housing, real estate was down like 12% month over month. You know, it's just like, oh shit, we're in a housing recession, right? Everything go boom. The thing is that, you know, the market exists to make money, and the market just, it lacks common sense. And I tell you what, the market, right, it just legit stopped taking its medication once COVID hit, because COVID was absolutely irrational. And well, I think an irrational market is simply here to stay. You're going to see that volatility simply because there's a lot of money to be made in volatility. And that's why 1348 exists, to protect you. It helps you go with the trend and make your money. Quick hits, space hits, in, out. That's it, right? Don't stay in too long. Bad things happen when you stay in too long. You know, like yeah, that curly head redneck. Yeah, that was a bad move, right, player? All right, let's keep it moving. Uh Pythagoras play. DGX up 15%. Let's go ahead and look at DGX. All right, if you're looking for the ADX, well, check this out, Javi. If you go ahead and follow any of the alerts in the Discord and you click the chart, you can go ahead and save it, and you're using my ADX, right? Um, but for the most part, we're using ADX and DI for V4. That's what we're using. Okay. Let's go ahead and look at DGX really quick. Quest Diagnostics. Okay. So let's go to the daily, and this was a Pathag play. Now, this here, guys, this play isn't over. If you want to play put on DGX, this play is far from over. It just crossed on the daily. We got some very, very, very convincing indicators here. You got the RSI broke below its moving average and trending down. This thing is looking beautiful, right? MACD just confirming that. Shaft trend confirming that. Then we have ADX here. and ADX is on its way to break 25. So, what we're doing here, Tabasco Dave, please listen. Uh, $20? Come on, man. I appreciate it, but I don't want it. Come on, let's not do that. $20? Damn. I don't even carry cash. Well, sometimes I do. Depends what I'm doing. But thanks. Um, okay. So ADX about to cross here. The move, you can probably count on this move right here down to what we're looking at, this level 129.07, right? So if you're buying puts on shares or puts on options, right, or shorts on shares rather, puts on options, you got this level to contend with, and that's fine. The thing is you are making money, okay? Um, Tabasco, I really, really appreciate that. I really, really, really appreciate that for the kiddo. Yeah. So now he's just going to come in and be like, "You got my Robux?" Like that scene from Stewie Griffin and Brian, like, "Yeah, got my money." Anyways, let's keep it moving. Does ADX go out to premium members with TradingView Pro? Yes, it does. Yes. Okay, let's move on to the next. But guys, I really like DGX Quest Diagnostics. It's probably going down because they're literally legalizing marijuana across the board, so ain't nobody got to go ahead and get their fucking drug tests. Just, just an idea. How's Tesla looking? All right, let's go ahead and check out Tesla. Yes, good OJ. All right, Tesla, here we go. We're going to check out Tesla here. Diana, all right, calm down. Calm down, Diana. Stop being so bossy. TGT, we know. We're going to look at this. But let's go ahead and look at Tesla. Tesla is fucking running. And Tesla broke this blue pill level. You guys know, guys, if you're not part of this Discord, you do not understand the lingo. Blue pill is basically a formed level of support or resistance that it's a channel that the stock seems to respect, right? And breaking it leads to uh just some massive gains. All right, so here we are with Tesla. I will tell you this: if you got in on this call, get the fuck out. Now, here's my rationale. Right, my rationale here. So you do have RSI. It's overheated. It's overheated. It's there, right? And it looks like it's getting ready to cross back to the downside, right? So when RSI breaks below its moving average, if it breaks down, you're trending down. If it breaks up, as you guys can see in this example, RSI broke up, and then you had this continuation and move. Now, you had the MACD cross up as well, which is this indicator, but MACD gives you a sign that the bulls are deciding to go on vacation, hence the light mint green. You have deeper green, light green, right? Shaft trend signaling buy. Now here's a great example of ADX, because ADX is flirting with the 25, which tells me it broke this level and will begin to consolidate here. So I would go ahead and secure that back with Tesla. Okay. BAC 1348 paid out Levi Sensations. Whoa. I wish you really tight, hot jeans and and a damp crotch. Levi Sensations. All right, let's keep it moving. Was that double top on the daily of Bears divergence? TMI will be salivating. Yeah, let him know. Let's see. Tabasco Dave says blue pill. It either took it or needs it. USO for a long call. Let's go ahead and check out USO. All right, USO, United States Oil Fund. Oh, wow. Look at her. Okay, guys. So this is interesting. We do not have any particular signals for USO. I play. Now, whoever asked me, Richard, if you're asking me how I would play this, I would tell you I don't have an actionable alert, because that actionable alert happened back here. And if you took our play when it was an actionable alert, you ran from 73 to 77 in a matter of, yeah, you get to Open your position, have great sex with your wife, wake up in the morning, enjoy some breakfast, have some sex again. Then look at your portfolio and be like, hey, you see, babe, I followed this brown guy that wears funny shirts on YouTube and he seems to curse a lot, but he's helping us get paid. Where's my sound effect? I need the ding. Do it right there. Huh. All right, let's keep it moving. But as it stands, you probably want to go ahead and take a look at the 1 minute and see how you would play there. We only play actionable alerts here, guys, because when the alert is not actionable, you go ahead and you're speculating at that point. Okay, so there you go, Richard. That's my answer. Just be careful. As it stands right now, it looks like she is rimming, and rim job is what we call rimming, and just price action is hugging a particular EMA. As it stands, that's what she's doing. But let's go ahead and look at her on the daily because the daily will give us some insight here. Right? Our side did cross. You do have this level at 80. This is very, 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 very possible. All right. So this is something you would probably want to watch. Spy about to cross down. Apple printing, my brown brother. All right. Let's go ahead and look at Apple. Apple. Let's go ahead and check this out. So we got Apple on a daily. As you guys can see, I do have my blue pill lines, right? She broke, ran, hit this level here, got rejected. I love levels. I love levels, and you should too. Okay, let's bring it down to the 5 minute and see. We got the put signal. We have this level right here. Ooh, 166.93. Okay, this is a matter of patience, right? Now we're looking at ADX, and it is trending up. So there's probably some more moves in this move. Okay, now we want to pay attention to this guy right here, right? So RSI with Apple below 50, guys, the trend is down. When you're looking at the RSI, you want to go ahead and say, okay, above 50's up, the sky's blue above 50, right? Below 50, it's the ground is dirt. It's shit, right? It's going down. Okay, that's how you got to think about it. Then you have the MACD, and the MACD is your friend because the MACD is going to go ahead and say, all right, RSI, hey, you say you're going down. MACD is like, all right, I'm going to tell you why we're going down. We're going down because the bulls are in control. When the MACD crosses below its signal line and you begin to print these red bars on a histogram, that is telling you that the bears have stepped in. They're like, go fuck your mother. Price is too high. And we exist for price discovery. That's what the MACD is telling you. The bears are in. Now, the shaft trend is literally telling you when to sell and or to take a short position. With the ADX, what you're seeing is trending up. So ADX is telling you the strength of that move. Okay. It's telling you the strength of that move. So you have these indicators that are helping you build your thesis on if it's a good play or not. Now, let me show you, guys, we like to play levels. Right here, we have this level here at 166.97, and she's coming down. She's coming down. Who has massive boner right now because you are printing? Congratulations. All right. You made money. Now, it's really up to you on whether you stay in long enough to regret it or you just enjoy that ride and secure that bag. Me, I'm all about base hits, right? This is Tabasco Dave. I'm glad I'm cracking you up. People are printing. Uh, Louis Pardo, I don't fudge. I'm still holding my AMC. Congratulations. Do you, bro? Do whatever the fuck you gotta do, man. Like, I really don't give a shit, right? Because it doesn't matter if it's AMC, Tesla, Apple, Ford. We come here to make money. That is the common denominator. It doesn't matter what fucking ticker we're doing, right? At the end of the day, the result has to be beneficial to you. And that result ideally is making money, not losing money. So that's why 1348 exists. Shameless plug, link down in the description, link in the comments pinned, because I pinned it because I'm smart. Got to make sure it's there for you. Okay, moving along. Let's see. Secured the bag at 10% on Apple. Let's go ahead and check out the SPY here. Okay, SPY. Now, I know that somebody had a question about the ADX. So, ADX. So we need to upgrade our trading view in order to use the ADX. I use Pro. I use the top of the line trading view. Like, that's it. Okay, so this is a spy cross. Can it be trusted? It's look at this chart. This chart should be giving you deja vu. Can I get the ticker that we were just looking at? That the chart looked just like this. Hey, 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 hey. Now, also, the spy is making that move is currently at 412. Yeah, motherfuckers want to go ahead and check my Twitter because, I was talking about the spy hitting 410. Woo! Okay. I call Miss Cleo and I'm like, yo, Brown Boy needs some tips. All right. So we have the spy making that move. That put can be trusted, but you also have this level at 412, right? And you got to respect it. RSI trending down, right? Yes, Apple looks a lot like Apple. Apple told you the future. Apple showed you the move. You gonna learn today. Okay, so we do have this level. Now, the way I play this is you hit a level, you secure that bag, you reposition if indicators are in your favor to ride it down here. Look at this. Look at this. Right there, right there. You see that wick? You see where the brakes were hit? You see where the brakes were hit? It was like, no, 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 no. I don't want to go down. I don't want to go down. I'm not going down to your shower. You smell like shit and oysters. I'm not going down on you. Okay, so anyways, but the trend is there. And you have ADX, which is pivoting up. Now, actually, a great indicator to look at. We have the 15. And the 15 is showing us that the ADX is rather flat. But we also have that red here on the histogram, right? So we probably will get a sequence of some reds here, right? Here we go, R side down, everything down. And guys, just respect your levels, right? It's all about base hits, but someone's making fucking money. Congratulations, right? You could only do that on our live streams. People bitch about like, oh my God, it's $96. You know what else costs $96? A lot of shit. Pointless shit. Just look around your house. You probably have a lot of pointless shit in your house. I know I got a lot of pointless shit in my house, right? But listen, we're cheaper than a meal for five at Applebee's, but depending on what time you go. But look at it's $96. And you could literally make that money watching our live streams each and every morning. That's it. Each and every morning. Y'all motherfuckers out there buying weed. Yeah, yeah, listen. I know for some people that weed like stimulates that creative thought process. There's people in, the creative industry who smoke a lot of weed and they're just like, yeah, fucking geniuses. But just gonna put it out there. Don't trade while you're high. Please don't ever do that. Please don't. You're gonna be like, oh, it makes me look at the chart better. No, fucking don't. It does not. Please. So anybody who's out there trading while they're high, please don't do it. Anyways, keep it moving. Uh Pepe Sylvia says I buy weed with 1348. That's hilarious. Review Dark, how do you get the call and put on the chart? You get the call and put on the chart by joining the Discord. All right, I hope that answers the question. It's $69 a month for me. Yes, you got $69, but you got grandfathered in and you're smart. You're like, you know what? I'm going to make some money with this brown motherfucker. This brown motherfucker seems to know, like, he knows what he's doing, right? And you trust me, right? It's like, oh my God, he looks like Middle Eastern. He's probably from Dubai. He looks rich as fuck, right? But I'm Puerto Rican. Got him. Let's keep it moving. No, don't, please do not trade high. All right, let's go ahead and look at Target because Axe is bringing up Target. And Diana was bringing up Target. Oh, dude, Daniel, good stuff. You ever traded while ducking? No. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at Target. I think Target had an alert on a possible cross down here. And this is looking pretty good. Okay, so here we go. Target, you had that gap down, you had that move up, came up to this level. You see this level here, guys? Right? It's all about levels. Our chart gives you levels. You see? Rejected right off this level. So now where's she going? Chances are she's coming back down to 146, 147. This is very, very, very fucking doable. All right, you got the cross here. You have shaft trend signaling, MACD signaling, RSI broke below. RSI currently below 50. As you can see here on the daily, price action is below the 200 EMA, which qualifies this as a 1348 play. You see what's happening here? You guys can see this, right? I hope you can see this because this is so obvious. Okay, retail, with inflation and people spending less, it's really going to hurt the retail. I like to think it hurts the brick and mortar retail segment. It doesn't necessarily hurt the Amazons because Amazon is more like a middleman. You see what I'm saying? So it's not like, like they're risking anything. Amazon really not risking anything aside from like their flagship products like the Ring, the Fire Stick, et cetera, et cetera. Everything else is sourced to them. And I don't know if anybody's an Amazon seller in this, okay? But you could go ahead and have all your inventory shipped to an Amazon warehouse, and Amazon is like, you gonna pay, motherfucker. You paying. You're gonna pay to have your products here. We're also gonna charge you when you sell your products from here, right? So Amazon's just really got the fucking market cornered, and they are the biggest pimps in the fucking game. Okay, and I think that Target and Walmart, they're between a rock and a hard place because their business model is like it's a legacy business model, right? It's not e-commerce, and Amazon's just got everyone fucked. Okay. Let's see. Aaron's Decker. He's a seller. I love that, right? You do some Amazon arbitrage. Kind of cool, right? Review Dork. Still sitting on my SQQ play from Friday. On the long term, I like what I'm seeing, but I'm dumb. What do you think? All right. I'm here for the assist, right? Let's go ahead and look at the QQQ. And you're playing since Friday. Let's go to the daily. And you got this level right here. You got the 48. Okay. The trend is dying as it's approaching 25 on ADX, right? The thing is you cannot trust this histogram here because the MACD is wildly elevated. And then you go ahead and you look at the RSI, and the RSI has literally caught itself damn near at 50. So if you're in the QQQ right now, the way it's looking is you're probably going to hit that 48 and bounce off. But I tell you what, it's not financial advice. You made some money? Did you make some money? If you made some money, you know what to do here, right? What do we do when we make some money, guys? What do we do? We go ahead and we control the play still, all right? Mikey says, I just made 14% on SPY with a put, my first trading using the strategy. Mikey, congratulations. That's what we want to see. Can I explain the RSI? DMC really quick, right? So maybe this could act as a refresher for those who are already in the community, right? Yes. So if you've already made the money, yes, Marky Mark gets it. Get the fuck out. Because see, what you're doing here is, and I'm going to get into the RSI really quick, but what you're doing here is you're trading certainty for uncertainty. And that is the stupidest bet in the fucking world that you could ever take. You went ahead and you looked for the play, looked for the setup, looked for the indicators, and it paid. But now you're going to trade that certainty for uncertainty because the market is dynamic, is living and breathing, it's oscillating, it's cyclical. And well, you just need to stop being fucking greedy. So, let's go ahead and get into this, okay? What is RSI? RSI is what's known as the relative strength index, right? And a lot of people, what they do is, or a relative strength indicator, what a lot of people like to do is that when it hits 70, it's overbought. That means people will start selling. If it's 30, it's oversold. It means people start buying. But the most powerful part of RSI is using 50. Above 50 confirms the trend to the upside. Below 50 confirms the trend to the downside. And this gives you your visual cue, right? So in the instance of the QQQ, why the fuck would you want to go ahead and stay in this play if it's flat? If ADX is coming down to the 25, that means then you got consolidation, which is flat. And we all know what flat does. We know what flat does. Flat means theta, and theta means thief, and thief means you make less the longer you hold. So it's just wasted time opportunity, right? Your time value is diminishing by virtue of it moving sideways. So that's why you would also secure the back. All right. Let's see. Where's Kim O? Is all I know. Kim, where you at? Kim, where you at? Actually, good. You know what? Now that you bring that up, that bothers me. It bothers me that Kim isn't here. All right. Got in on Tide at 110, debating and cutting my losses. Any opinions? Justin, welcome to the stream. I'm not even going to waste my time here. Oh, there goes Kim. All is right with the world. I don't play shit stocks, and neither should you. So cut your losses, do what you want to do. Not my fucking business, not my fucking problem. That's your problem, not financial advice. But if your gut's telling you you can't take the pain anymore, listen to your gut. Fuck anybody else who tells you otherwise. Fuck anybody else that tells you otherwise, all right? So let's see. Good morning, fellow peasants. New foe. Good morning, sir. Love you. Maybe. Not sure. Depends if you're a Discord member or not. If you're not, I fucking hate you. But we can change that with the link down below in the description, also pinned in the comments. All right. Let's see. Bottom feeder. What's going on, Gabe? Been here for a while. Haven't used your trading system yet. Got about 2,500 ready to roll. Hopefully, it's enough to make a little bit. Now, bottom feeder. Okay, check this out. All right. Now, this is how I'm going to answer this question, right? Because this is a question that is often brought up. Brian, option snipers. I don't hate you. I don't hate you. It's just tough love, baby. All right. So what's going on, Gabe? Been here for a while. Haven't used your trading system yet. Got about 2,500. Now he wants confirmation that he could in fact make money, right? And the thing here is this, guys. Look, you could go ahead and sign up for the Discord, right? Your first month, you're going to go ahead and dedicate it to nailing the system, right? You're also going to dedicate that first month to paper trading. Number two, you're going to dedicate that month to reframing mindset, right? Because there are a lot of guys, man. I had some people come into this Discord, and I'm just like, yo, this is the best fucking humanity has to offer me. You know, I was like these yellow motherfuckers, but over time, I realized that I realized that that it was a habit that was learned over time. So when you're in the Discord for the first month, expect the reframing of mindset. We don't do YOLOs or home runs. We don't do stupid shit. We respect our portfolios. Number two, paper trading. Build confidence in the system. That's your first month, right? You're also going to be watching me on stream. You're going to watch STV, TMI, and we are pretty much just parroting the same things, right? Risk management, which is super important. And again, just following the rules on the system. Also, you're going to have a community of individuals who will get on your ass before I do. And they will tell you, I get on your ass. So paper trade for the first month. Find some confidence in the system and then throw your money into it. Fair enough? Okay. Link down in the description. Let's keep it moving. What happens? Options and AMC is not working. Oh, I'll tell you what happened. You got fucked. All right, moving along. We are a big, happy family with tons of help. That's right. Paul says, I printed the first month, then got stupid second month, not following rules. Now resetting mindset and back to printing. It works. I'm telling you, it works. It's all about mindset, you know? All right, guys, you know what I'm talking about, right? You got the hot chick. Oh, man, you're giving it good. It's great. It's great, right? You're right there, but you don't want to. So you just start thinking like midgets and rainbows and unicorns. You take your mind out of it really quick so you can get that breather that you need to allow that longevity. If you don't know that life hack, now you do. All right. But it's all about mindset. Absolutely. Okay. Let's go ahead and look at WFC. Wells Fargo and Company. Whew. Wells Fargo. Well, on the daily, she's made her move. You see that cross there? Definitely made her move. Hit the 200 EMA, got rejected. Now we go to the 5 minute. In 5 minute, looks like she's crossing down, but you see here, you got the ADX coming and it's flat. Okay. This WFC, as it stands right now, I probably would not. I would not take that play. Um, let's see. Gabe, Amazon. Are we going back to Amazon? MAZN. We're looking at Amazon here on the 5 minute, and that put, you got smacked. Listen, right? That was the problem with Amazon. You got the put here, but then you look at your trend here on the 5 minute. The ADX would have kept you out of this play. It would have kept you out of this play. Also, the convergence into the moving average, right? But the ADX, by virtue of it being, what is it right now? Fucking 14. When you got that put signal and you saw that it was 14, you knew there was no strength in that trend. And by virtue of it having no strength in the trend, it's going to go willy nilly. Uh, let's see. 1 second, guys. 1 second. All right, I'm back. Sorry, that was my security. All right, let's keep it. Why does Ape have EMAs? Dude, Ape has EMAs. Every equity on Earth has EMAs. Bitcoin has EMAs. We're looking at Ape here, right? You see, look what's happening here. There is no strength in that move, at least here in a 5 minute with Ape. And you can see visually, you got the consolidation. And then you got RSI breaking above its moving average, and that's fine, right? So what it looks like is we are entering some bullish territory with Ape, but we also have that resistance here at 740, right? So that's Ape. But the EMA crossover strategy works with everything. It works with everything. I want to show you guys something here really, really quick, right? So we're going to go ahead and do BTC USD, right? This is what's a crypto? Now I'm going to show you how powerful 1348 is, right? We go ahead and put it on a 15. And why do we put it on a 15? We put it on a 15 because crypto is super volatile, right? So by playing larger time frames, you go ahead and you see what's happening here, right? You're able to absorb more of the move, right? So you got the put, it bounces off a level, you enter, now you run that call up, right? You hit a level, comes right back down. But on the 15, this thing is savage. Can you guys see that? 1348 will make you a shit ton of money. I don't care what stock, asset, whatever. You're going to make money. Okay. Uh, how do you get ADX in yours? You get ADX in yours by going into TradingView and getting ADX. It's really, really that simple. So let's go ahead and go back to the stocks here. Let's see what the SPY's doing. Let's play catch up with the SPY. All right. By the way, Dawn's in the house. What's up, Dawn? How you doing? How you doing? Okay, so SPY got that put, came right back up. ADX showed you that put really didn't have much strength. Look at this. hit that level and bounced. Okay. What came first, Cryptagoras or 1348 platform? It's 1348. How do you filter out the levels that the price will break through? You don't. You respect every single one, right? You respect every single one. All right. Ape says, hope you guys see this man is a salesman. If 1348 made so much money, he wouldn't need your membership. All right. So Ape. All right. Just because you can't afford it or choose not to afford it, or maybe just feel like this is something that's not for you. By the way, I am a salesman, right? You have to be a salesman in life. I'm mighty charismatic. But with that being said, when you're really good at something, you never do it for free. That's one of my favorite lines from The Dark Knight. Number two, right? I mean, would you pay for Warren Buffett? Would you sit down, pay $200,000 just to sit down in front of Warren Buffett and talk to him? Yeah, people do that. How about Hillary Clinton or the Clintons, for that matter? $1 million fucking speaking fees to do what? To circle jerk you? I'm just saying, $96 for my time, TMI's time, STV's time, our IT staff, our admin, all those guys. Yeah, shit ain't free, bro. One more time. My God, the gate guards calling me like, people coming, people coming. And I'm like, what? Did they send a fucking military? Anyways, hope I answered that question. Okay. Damn, I guess all the money I have made with 1348 is fake. Yeah, I know. How about some people love what they do? They like to share knowledge to help others. It's like, yeah. You know what I mean? Like, and I don't know. I think get people sleep ain't free either. I know, right? Uh, Even if Gabe was a salesman, then he sells a really good product for the masses. Thank you. Thank you for coming to my defense, guys. We don't need defense, though, because 1348 fucking sells itself. And sometimes you got the ignorant speakers, and that's fine. I really don't care for the ignorant speakers. Let's move it along. All right. Based on 1438 is ape a buy signal? You mean 1348? That was rather dyslexic for you, right? But if we go ahead and we look at ape, you guys want to look at ape here. Ape, we don't have a signal right now. Right now, you are in a call trend or what we call a buying cycle. But this shit is way too thin. Guys, members of the Discord, you already know when we see something that thin with the EMAs, what do we say? What do we say? That is an EMA sandwich. That means it cannot be trusted. There isn't thigh gap. There isn't any thigh gap, right? That's it. That's it, right? You need thigh gap. Is AMC a buy? Who fucking cares? You got an EMA sandwich, and yeah, we need some thigh gap with eight. Now, if we want to look at AMC, is it a buy? Listen, you know what? No, it's not. No, it's not buy. It's buy. That's what it means. It's not buy. It's just buy. Yeah, that's it. Is $96 the highest membership? Yes, it is. And the thing is that as we keep on adding more value to our Discord, we will keep on raising the prices. Blame that on inflation. No, 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 no. When we raise the prices, we justify it. Like we'll have our own in-house charts. So you guys don't have to outsource to trading view and pay that subscription. We will have a lot of tools, all the tools in-house to assure success. But wait, there's more. If you go ahead and you join us today at $96, and you learned a strategy, we'll never raise the price on you. Just ask the $69 members. They came in at 69, the price never raised on them. The 96ers, the price will never raise on you either. But we keep raising the bar and adding more and more value. I will say this, and I will say this with confidence. There's no other Discord that is profitable, this profitable as we are, right? And I'll tell you for one reason alone. Every other Discord is a follow me Discord. I'm going to buy this. I'm going to buy it here. I'm going to sell it there. Or I bought this. Now, by the time you got the alert, and you guys see how fast this shit moves. By the time you got the alert that Johnny O bought something, the play's already fucking dead, and then you're left there holding the bag. Just saying, right? Um, yeah, easily we could charge over 150, but we are conscious of the value that we bring, and we feel like we need to give more value. That's it. Let's see. I'm here since 1969 and still paying the same. Absolutely. That's what we like to see. Um, In-house charts, yes, we want in-house. Eventually, we will be doing away with TradingView. This is the reason why we are CBOE and Opera certified, because guys, we're using real streaming data to give you the alerts, so there's no lag. We're faster than anybody out there in the business. They're faster. Period. Our alerts are breakneck because we're getting a direct stream from the CBOE and Opera. Okay. That's how we do our magic. And that shit costs money. Hey, look, if you want to be the best, you need the right tools. And I'm trying to make you guys the best fucking traders out there. So you need the right tools. I'm not going to sit there and fucking jerk your dick and say, you can do it. No, you probably can't until you're given the right direction. Let's keep it moving. Uh, that BIIB alert from Pith is just insane. BIIB. Let's go ahead and look at BIIB. Biogen. Uh, Look at this here. Holy fucking wowzers. Who made money in BIIB? Do you ever trade live game? No, I don't. There's too much shit going on. If you really wanted to see how I stream, I have a HDMI switcher here. I have a computer here. I have a camera here. I have a computer here. I have my alerts over here. There's a lot of shit going on. And then I'm also just blabbing to you for a whole fucking hour and a half, right? So a lot going on. I do trade before I jump on stream, and I'm up at 4 in the morning creating back orders, right? So I'm that guy. If you see a stock running, I'm chasing the unusual volume, helping them pump it, and then at 9:30 I dump it. Don't hate the player, hate the game. Sorry. Um, let's see. What's the expected ETA on in-house platform this year? I can't say much of anything because then Andy gets really, really anxious, right? Um, Andy's like, damn, bro, like, come on, man, you put too much work on me. I love Andy. I love everything that Andy and Algo do. Like, love it, love it, love it. By the way, Algo, did you push the update to the beta testers? And how are they liking that update to the beta testers, the private beta testers? And if they're liking it and everything going smooth, then we'll roll that out to the public here. So you like to trade mostly in pre-market? No, I don't. I really don't. But it's the only time I have time. Yeah, because you guys take a lot of my time. Uh, Platform this year? Yes. Robert Ramirez says, I just joined the Discord. Thanks for everything you do. Guys, Discord members, let's give him a round of applause. Right? Robert, remember, pace yourself. Don't rush. Go through the curriculum. We have the most comprehensive curriculum out there pertaining to the strategy. Gabe, which ADX do you use? Okay, so I use, let me see if we could zoom in here. No. I use, let's see if this is the ADX I use. ADX and DI for V4. That's what I use. ADX and DI for V4. And then what I do is I go to style and I take away DI plus and DI negative. This is actually a whole other strategy that I can get into. But in TradingView is ADX and DI for V4. Right. That's it. That's what we use. Yes, it does. ADX and okay, so let me show you. Let's just type this in. ADX right there. Right. So I click it. I just literally added another ADX here, right? You guys can see that? I added that ADX. And then I go to settings and then I clear these guys. That's what I do. And then inputs, my threshold, I set to 25. So by default, threshold is 20. We set it to 25 and then you click OK. And then obviously you could change the colors. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and remove this one so it doesn't clutter the chart, but that is my ADX. Arvin, so I want you guys to understand that 1348 is just the beginning. Once you guys grasp 1348 and find confidence in this trading strategy, the group will evolve. In fact, the proper name of our business is the crossover group. Now, that also encompasses a lot of different crossover strategies, whether it's the MACD crossover strategy or an RSI crossover strategy or an ADX crossing to 25 strategy. This is why we are like legally known as the crossover group. And so you will see an evolution in our teachings and more comprehensive teachings, which allow you to, you're able to apply, in dynamic markets. And that's what we're doing right now. We're attempting to empower you. We're giving you AI. We're giving you bots that will assist you in the trade. And then we're going to give you some techniques to build upon that to make your trade, build probability, increase your probability and your confidence in the trade. But that's it. Okay. How do you use the ADX to show strength and trends? Well, you use the ADX, as I explained. You might want to go ahead and rewind uh, the video. When you break 25, the trend is strong. And it doesn't matter if it's an uptrend or a downtrend. Please don't think that because ADX is going down, it's in a downtrend. No, ADX doesn't show the trend. It shows the strength of the trend. Okay. So keep that in mind. Geocast says, this place is fucking great. I'm not fucking leaving. Wolf of Wall Street. Oh man, yeah, I love that movie. Especially what was it? Matthew McConaughey. He's like, yeah, that was cool. I love that scene. Uh, you can use these strategies forever, but it's like I want you guys to be fucking machines. That's what I want you guys to be. All right. Uh, let's see. Bruce White. This is the real MOS. It absolutely is. It absolutely is. So, guys, listen, I'm going to be wrapping things up. We're going to conclude this live stream. I will be on this afternoon with TMI. I think TMI asked me to join him. I'm going to confirm that, but we're going to have some fun at 2 o'clock. All right. Listen, guys, link down in the description, link pinned in the comments. When we go private, it's nothing but a learning experience. And sometimes I just mouth off and, like, I just spew a lot of hot fucking lava. But listen, just have some thick skin, right? Because, okay, quick 3-minute rant, okay? All right, you fuckboys that are super sensitive, right? You're the kind of guy that these market makers who have absolutely no soul are going after. They're fucking with your emotions. They're destroying your lives. They will be the reason why you stay in your mother's basement. Now, to play in this game, you need thick skin. You need to remove emotions. You need to step it up and you need to stop feeling entitled and like the market fucking owes you something, or Adam Aaron owes you something, or Gary Gensler owes you something, or the SEC has to do their job and owe you something. Nobody owes you a fucking thing, right? The only thing you're owed is your next breath. That is the only thing you're owed, and you're owed that by the world, right? That is the only guarantee you have in this life. But outside of that, ain't shit owed to you. Now, you either take it or be taken. That's the difference between the haves and have nots, right? Very, very, very fucking simple, all right? Emotional intelligence, right? And just respect for yourself. You want to be the best version of yourself, then you need to actually work on your fucking self, not just sitting there on fucking Instagram, sliding into some bitch's DM, bitching and complaining why she won't respond to you. She won't respond to you because you ain't got your shit together. So get your shit together. And then maybe she'll start responding to you. And then maybe you'll start getting all the blowies you ever fucking want in life. But the thing is if you want something, you got to go fucking get it. Nothing's going to be handed to you. All right. And that's the thing. Anywhere on God's great earth, I will triple my worth. Yeah, you guys know that verse. But I'll make sure I outwork anybody because if I fail, I blame myself for that. I'm not going to say like, oh, he worked harder than me. I'm going to say I didn't work as hard as I could and I deserve to fail. See what I'm saying? That motherfucker doesn't owe me anything. He's not going to go ahead and say, hey, let me take it easy so that Gabe could keep up. No, if you got a competitive advantage, you fucking take it. And right now, 1348 is your competitive advantage. Fucking take it. I've given you the keys to the kingdom. Link down in the description. Go make a man of yourself. Stop promising your mom, the grandeurs of life if you're not really doing fucking shit with yourself. And I'm just being very, very, very blatant right now. I'm just... Seriously, because I know a lot of guys like that. I have a best friend. I have a best friend who is exactly like that. Just pisses me the fuck off. He's got all these great ideas, but he has absolutely no fucking action. And he wonders why he keeps chasing his fucking tail. That's it. Anyways, guys, that's all we got for you today. All right. And also when you go into the community gains section and you see people making money, applaud them, but you're not competing against them. You're competing against yourself to get better each and every day. All right. I know there's some people who are like, oh, but they're printing. Yeah, they're making a lot of money. Yeah, that's cool. They're making their money. They're attempting to be the best version of themselves. So give them a round of applause, guys. Seriously. No jealousy or hate or envy in this community. No, you go ahead each and every day, compete with yourself, make sure you learn something, make sure you become a better person. And it doesn't even have to be 1348 related. It could be like, oh shit, I learned something. I became a better person because of it. And you know what? If you got a closed mind, you'll be left behind. Trust me. That's the way this world works. Got a closed mind, you get left behind. Just go ahead and ask. Think about it. Just think about that. A closed mind gets you left behind.